Hi, I'm Marlin with the Strap Warehouse. Today I want to introduce you to a new kit that we have. It's called the Waist Belt Starter Kit. We wanted to make it easy for you to get started making waist belts. In this kit, you'll get 25 feet of the belt material, 3 nickel-plated buckles and loops, 3 brass buckles and loops, matching Chicago screws, and 6 of the beta loops. And then for the tools, you'll get the mallet, a belt template, a marking pencil, and a cutting block. You will also get the punch handles, one punch handle for the end punch and another punch handle for the number 12 punch. Now, let's get to making a belt. So the first thing that you need to do is to mark your blank so you know where to make your holes. It's important to do this so that all of your holes line up. Once you have it marked, now you're ready to make your holes. Now, to make the slot punch, we will make a hole in the end and a hole there, and then use the razor knife to cut the rest of it. You can also buy a slot punch that you can use with this same punch handle on strapwarehouse.com. Go to Tools and look for slot punches. Now is where you have to be a little bit artistic, which is where I have serious issues. I'm creative, but I'm not artistic. A really good sharp knife is very important when you're doing this so that you get a good clean cut. Now we're ready to put the buckle on. You'll be using, I'm going to put a brass buckle on, so we're going to use brass Chicago screws. And then you'll get it right. What I have found is it's easiest to put this one on first and then these two. So we'll do that. Now you have to keep your loop between the this Chicago screw and these two. And there we have, the buckle end is complete. We're ready to cut this end round and punch our holes. So we want to mark this end and use the other end of this to make your holes. There's 3 holes in this template, but we'll make 5. This is One of the hardest parts of it is getting that end set perfectly in there. And then hitting it hard enough and right to go through. You know it's through when it drops. There is your adjustment holes and your nice rounded end. There's a little bit of oil that came off of the punch, but that's not a big deal. That'll wipe right off. And now you have a belt. This kit is now available on strapwarehouse.com. Thanks for watching. I'm Marlin with the Strap Warehouse, and remember, better is possible.